Session of mathematics for so we had done some questions in mensuration circles, and last time I think so we had done one question on calculation of the areas, means if the difference of areas was given. No, not the difference of areas. Yes, in fact, yes, area between the circles. That means that a ring, for a ring we had done questions in which a ring was there and the area of the ring was given and there were concentric circles. Okay, so let us take up some more questions on the circles. It is our 15th chapter I am teaching you, and on this we are having 12th lecture. See, it has come little bit longer, but what to do? Suitability. My target right now is to make the videos in a suitable length so that you can see at least some questions properly, and that should not be lengthy also for you. It is exercise 16. I'm sorry. It is exercise 16.3. So I'm taking up now another question. I'm taking question number 14. Question number 14 I am taking up. 14th is a good question. Another good question. Why I would say this? Because 14th involves the different radii. So this also is based on the concentric circles question only. So what that 14th question is, let me read out first. 14th question says, find the circumference of the circle whose area is equal to sum of the areas of three circles. So you have to find the circumference of the circle. So there is one circle and there are three small circles. So let's find the sum of areas of three circles. So right here, the sum of areas of the three circles. Why do we need to find the sum of the areas of three circles? Because here we require, means the question is telling us that the one circle which is given to us, its area is equal to what? Equal to the sum of the areas of the three circles. So it will be pi into pi r square is the area. So we'll take that pi common, and inside that the three radii are given with the three small circles, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So 2, 3 and 6. So 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square centimeter square. So you can see here, we'll write it in the terms of pi only, because the sum of the areas of the three circle will be equal to the area of the one circle, final circle that is there. So 2 square is 4. Add properly. 3 square is 9 and 6 square is 36 centimeter square. So it will be 36 and 4 40 plus 9 49. So 49 pi centimeter square. Now see, 49 pi centimeter square is the area of the big circle. Area of the we can say required circle to differentiate it. Area of the required circle is equal to how much? 49 pi centimeter square. Now what is the question is asking? See, circumference is asked. Okay. Now, so let the radius of the given circle is equal to r centimeter. Therefore, pi into r square is equal to pi into 49 This implies that r square is equal to 49. Again, that r issue is there, but I mean to say only one r, that is the r. This implies that, see, it can be plus minus, but I will go with plus only because negative radius is not there. Okay, so radius is 7 centimeter. So now finding the circumference of the circle is equal to, now only one formula we do for circumference. What is that? It is pi 2 pi r or pi d. So 2 into pi into 7 centimeter. Putting the value of pi, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 centimeter, that is equal to 7 cancel, 22 to the 44 centimeter. That should be the answer. Let's look for the answer. Yes, and that is the answer. So what we have done for this question? Nothing. Very simple. Only it is given that the area of the given circle is equal to what? Is equal to the sum of the areas of 3 circles. So 3 circles were given whose radii were 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. So we have added the areas of the 3 circles. What it has come with? It has come like pi into 2 square. So pi r square and pi r square. So pi I have taken outside the bracket and adding this all the 3 areas, we have got it 49 pi centimeter square. Equating it to the given circle, radius r, so we have got the radius. See, without getting the radius, it is not possible to get the circumference because circumference involves one term called as r. So the radius is required, so 2 pi r or pi d, either of the things you do, you will be getting the answer for it. Okay, let us move to another question based on the diagram. Okay, so I have just now done question number 14 from exercise 16.3. Now taking up another question, 17th one. I am taking the 17th question now. The 17th question is based on diagram, so it should require, we have seen already one question, so sometimes you have to make the diagram. I could find that people are not making the diagram and some people are merely doing the blind carbon copy from the internet for some answers. So please trust the teacher or trust the things he is teaching. That will be helpful for you. Because it is required of you to learn the things, so you should be really coming up with the things. Whatever doubts are there, you may please mention it to me. You may message it to me. I am just ready to help you out the things. Now, next question I am taking up is question number 17. Question number 17 says, find the circumference of circle whose area is 16 times the area of the circle's diameter 7 centimeter. 17th A part. So 17th A part says what? So 16 times. So when it is written 16 times, it basically means, so 17 times means 17 into something, times means multiplied. So it is given circumference of circle whose area is 16 times the area of circle with the diameter 7 centimeter. So what we will write here? Area of circle with diameter 7 centimeter. With diameter 7 centimeter. So it will what? Pi by 4 into d square, that means 7 square centimeter square. Okay, so it is how much? It is 49 pi by 4 centimeter square. Okay, so once we have calculated the area of the circle of diameter 7 centimeter. Now let us see what it is saying. The question is requiring the circumference, but that circle's area is 16 times. So according to question, area of given circle is equal to what? How many times? 16 times. 16 times into 49 by 4 pi centimeter square. Now see that given circle's area is 16 times. So 16 into the area of this. Okay. Now for this area to find the radius. So right here. Therefore radius of, or you can write let radius of given circle is equal to r centimeter. Therefore pi r square will be equal to, not what? You will write here 16 into 49 into pi by 4. Okay, so pi and pi will get cancelled. R will be equal to what? 4 into 7 by 2, and 2 on the 2 to the 4 centimeters, so 7 to the 14 centimeters is the radius, and accordingly what will be the circumference? Therefore circumference of the given circle equal to what? 2 pi r is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into 14, 7 to the 14, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 4 to the 8, so 88 centimeter. This should be the circumference of the circle. Let's check out for the answer. Yes. There is one more part in this question. I'll give the hint for that. If required, I will tell the answer also, solve it also. Let us see what that part is. It's telling in the given figure, find the area of the unshaded portion. Now see unshaded portion, how to find? Let me rub this one first. So that was 17th A part. Now 17th B part I am solving. So for the B part, you can see here there are 2 circles and 1 semicircle inside this. Let's draw 1 semicircle first, and then there are 2 more circles. So should be bigger one, but there should be a circle. I'm not drawing to scale, so there will be 2 circles first. Something like this. So there are 2 complete circles and 1 semicircle, and it is given 3 centimeter is the radius. So if here it is 3 centimeter, this also will be 3 centimeter, this also will be 3, and this will be center, so 3, this also will be 3. So this together will come as 5. These are the 15 centimeter. Yes or no? Got it? 15 centimeter, because see, all the centers are aligned. Then see, if you take the vertical side, it will be how much? 6 centimeter. Now see, all the circles are shaded. So what the question is saying? Question is saying, find the area of the unshaded region inside the rectangle. So you take out the area of 3 circles. So it is 2 circle and 2.5 circles. So write here area of, it is 17 B part. Area of rectangle equal to what? Questions you have done like this, 50 into 6 centimeter square, that is how much? 90 centimeter square. See, in the question also it is telling that how much area you will, value of pi you will take. So write here area of the circles. If you don't know to write circles, you can also write like area of the shaded region. So how many are there? 2 plus half. So 2.5, that means 5 by 2. Or you can say 2.5 into pi into 3 square centimeter square. That means 2.5 into, and what the value of pi they have given? 3.14. 3.14 into 3 is 9 centimeter square. Some value will come. Let's find the multiplication product of this one. It will be I am doing it in my rough copy. This is a question that you have done already, similar question you have done. So it will be coming as 70 point. So see, when the question tells you take pi is 3.14, you have to take that only. So it will be 70.65. So it will be 70.65 centimeter square. Therefore, area of unshaded region is called how much? 90 minus 70.65. See, if they intended to give the answer in decimals, you will be getting the answer in decimals. 90 or 70 is 20, so 0.00. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3, and then 9 minus 0 is 9, and then 9 is 8, 8 minus 7 is 1, 19.35 centimeter square. This should be the answer. Let's check out the answer. Yes, 19.35 centimeter square. Now how I have done this question? Only simply calculating the area of the rectangle and then calculating the area of the 3 more 2.5 circles are there, that you have to visualize by yourself, and once you visualize that, you will be getting the answer also.